Most document search still runs on OCR. But real documents are visual. Tables, charts, figures, scanned forms, and text extraction throws all of that away. ColPali takes a different route. It retrieves straight from the page image, with no OCR at all. In this video, why OCR pipelines break, what ColPali is, how it indexes and searches, its vision architecture, the benchmarks, the storage cost, and when to reach for it. Classic document retrieval is a brittle assembly line. You run OCR to pull out text, detect the layout, stitch the reading order, then chunk and embed. Every stage can fail. Complex tables get mangled, figures and charts are dropped, and scanned or multilingual pages trip up the parser. You spend enormous effort just converting a page into clean text, and the visual meaning that made the page readable is often lost along the way. ColPali, from Illuin Technology, stands for contextualized late interaction over PaliGemma. The idea is radical in its simplicity. Skip text extraction entirely. Take a screenshot of each page and feed the raw image to a vision language model, which turns the page directly into embeddings you can search. No OCR, no layout detection, no chunking. One end-to-end model reads the page as a picture, not a stream of characters. Here is the flow. To index, you render each document page as an image and pass it through the vision language model, which emits many small patch embeddings per page. You store all of them in a multi-vector index. At query time, you embed the user's question into its own token vectors, then score each page with late interaction, called MaxSim, and return the best matching pages. No text is ever extracted. You match the queried against the picture itself. Under the hood, ColPali builds on PaliGemma 3B, a SIG-LIP vision encoder feeding a Gemma language model. A page is split into a grid of about 1,000 patches. Each patch becomes a contextualized vector, projected down to just 128 dimensions. So one page is not a single embedding but roughly 1,000 tiny vectors that preserve where things sit on the page. That patch-level detail is exactly what lets it find a number buried in a table or a label on a chart. Compare the two pipelines. The OCR route needs parsing, text extraction, layout analysis, and chunking, many parts, each a failure point, and it struggles on visual content. ColPali is a single model, image in, embeddings out, end-to-end trainable. It is far simpler and faster to index, and because it keeps the visual layout, it shines on the documents OCR handles worst: dense tables, figures, and infographics. ColPali kicked off a family often called ColVision. The original is built on PaliGemma. ColQwen2 and ColQwen 2.5 swap in the Qwen2 ViDoRe backbone and currently top the visual retrieval leaderboards. ColSmall, built on small VLM, is tiny enough for modest hardware. They all share one recipe, a vision language model producing multi-vector page embeddings, matched by late interaction. Pick the backbone that fits your accuracy and hardware budget. The results are the headline. On ViDoRe, the visual document retrieval benchmark the authors released, ColPali reaches about 0.81 NDCG at 5, versus roughly 0.66 for a strong OCR plus embedding pipeline. That is up to a 29% jump, and the gap is widest on visually rich pages full of tables and figures. A simpler system that also wins on accuracy is a rare and very welcome combination. There is a catch: storage. Instead of one vector per page, you keep about 1,000, so a raw index can reach hundreds of gigabytes per million pages. The fix is compression. int8 quantization cuts size roughly 4 times with under 1% quality loss. Token pooling merges similar patches. Matryoshka truncation shrinks each vector, and binary encoding can compress by tens of times. Multi-vector retrieval stays practical at scale. Where does this shine? Anywhere documents are visual. Financial reports and earnings decks full of tables and charts. Scientific papers with figures. Slide decks, forms, and invoices. Scanned archives that break OCR. Multilingual pages where parsers stumble. In all of these, ColPali retrieves the right page from its appearance, then you hand that page image to a multimodal model to read the answer. A clean visual RAG pipeline, end to end. In code, the ColPali engine library makes it a few lines. You load a ColQN model and its processor, process your page images and your text queries into embeddings, then call score multivector to run the MaxSim late interaction and rank the pages. The higher level ByLD wrapper hides even that, and vector databases like Vespa, Qdrant, and Weaviate now support multivector late interaction natively, so you can index millions of pages. So, when should you reach for it? Grab ColPali when your corpus is visually rich. PDF, slides, tables, charts, scans, and when OCR quality has been your bottleneck. Think twice when your documents are plain text that OCR already handles perfectly, when storage or GPU budget is tight, or when you need to retrieve a precise text span rather than a whole page. For clean text, a normal text embedder is cheaper and plenty. So, to recap, traditional retrieval OCRs a page into text and loses its visual meaning. ColPali skips OCR and embeds the page image directly with the vision language model, producing many patch vectors matched by late interaction. It is simpler, more accurate on visual documents, and end-to-end trainable. The trade-off is a bigger index, tamed by quantization and pooling. Reach for it on visually rich docs. Save this and follow for more clear AI explainers. That is ColPali. Stop turning pages into text and start searching them as images. It is one of the cleanest ideas in retrieval right now, and it keeps everything a page was trying to show you. Did this make ColPali click? Follow for plain English Gen AI breakdowns.